This video is a continuation in solving problems about angle of elevation and angle of depression. We will illustrate here how angle of elevation and depression are formed. When you are looking up from the horizontal, the angle formed is the angle of elevation. And when you are looking down from the horizontal, an angle of depression is formed. We have your example number 1. You are in a hot air balloon flying over Cagayan Island when you spot your house. If the balloon is 1,000 feet in the air and the distance from you to your house is 5,000 feet, what angle of depression are you looking when you see your house? Okay, we have here the hot air balloon and the house below. The distance of the balloon from the ground is 1,000 feet. So this is 1,000 feet. And the distance from you to your house is 5,000 feet. So this is 5,000. From the trigonometric ratios SOHCAHTOA, we are going to use the sine ratio because it involves opposite and hypotenuse. So we will solve the problem. Sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Sine theta, opposite equals 1,000 over hypotenuse is 5,000. So the value for theta is inverse sine 1,000 divided by 5,000. So theta is equal to 11.5 degrees.
Amazing!
So this is the answer.
A few inches later.
For problem number 2, a traveler approaches a mountain on a highway. He measures the angle of elevation to the peak at each milestone. At 2 consecutive milestones, the angles measured are 10 degrees and 15 degrees. What is the height of the peak if the distance between consecutive milestones is 1 mile? The value for tangent 10 degrees is 0.1763 and the value for tangent 15 degrees is 0.2679. So we will draw here a triangle. This is A and this is B, C and D. So between A and B is 1. So this is 10 degrees and this is 1 mile from A to B, and from B to C is X. So we will cross multiply. This one is understood as 1. So DC is equal to 1 plus X times tangent 10 degrees. So DC is equal. So we are going to distribute here. 1 times tangent 10 degrees is tangent 10. And x times tangent 10 degrees is x tangent 10 degrees. So this is equation number 1. And we will draw here the next triangle. So this is x, this is B, C, and D. And this angle is 15 degrees. So tangent 15 degrees is equal to opposite side over adjacent. So tangent 15, opposite is DC, and adjacent is X. So we will cross multiply. This one is understood as 1. So DC is equal to X tangent 15 degrees. And this is equation number 2. So we are going to equate now. Equate equation 1 and equation 2. So x tangent 15 equals tangent 10 degrees plus x tangent 10 degrees. So the value for tangent 15 is 0.2679 x, and the value for tangent 10 degrees is 0.1763 plus tangent 10 is 0.1763 x. Then we will transpose this one to the left. So 0.2679x minus 0.1763x equals 0.1763. 0.2679x minus 0.1763x is 0.0916x. That is equal to 0.1763. So dividing both sides by 0.0916 916. So this will cancel out. X is equal to 1.92. So from equation 2, DC is equal to X tangent 15 degrees, and DC, the value for X is 1.92 multiplied by the value for tangent 15 degrees is 0.2679. So DC 1.92 times 0.2679 will give us 0.514 miles. And this is the answer. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.